Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm responsible for the international sales at easescreen. easescreen, that digital signage solution for all your different kind of applications. This year at ISE 2020, we also wanted to show quite an extension of our room booking solution. We have now also all kinds of interactions and also more and more integrations. Brightside integration is now also a deeper integration as we had before. There you can also see, for example, Elo Touch, systems from Cubic, SES Imagotech, ProDVX, and from Philips. Over here we also have from one of our premium partners, Giada, the media player that we can definitely recommend. One of the solutions that we have also integrated into our room booking solution is the NFC card reader directly here. As you can see, it reacts right away and you can use it for all kinds of integrations. Thank you. Yes. And if you would like to know more, go to easescreen.com, easescreen with an E, and we would like to meet you at the ISE 2020 in Hall 8, booth E120.